fish, pechay, then tomatoes, and lemongrass, onion. We're going to put water. Yan guys. So we're going to boil this. We'll add tomatoes, shrimp paste or bagoong. Ang ginamos tawag sa amin. Tapos we'll add onion and boil it. Of course, don't forget the lemongrass. Kumukulo na siya guys. Maglagay tayo ng kaunting asin lang. Tapos sugar. Yan. Para sa ating recipe. Pagkatapos niyan guys, lagay natin ang isda. Takpan lang, tsaka pakuluan. Guys, dagdagan natin ng rupina patis. Konting rupina patis. Patakpan lang guys. Guys, baka natin tikman natin yung sabaw. Medyo kulang pang asin, dagdagan natin ng asin. Tapos, pwede na tayo maglagay ng pechay. Masarap na guys yung isda natin. Masarap na yung recipe natin. Yung sabaw na okay na. Yummy. And done cooking. Thanks for watching. This is Jerusalem Cooking. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. See ya! Ito na guys yung ating recipe.